की खूबर का बातें सी टीवी रखे का फ्रैंक यामाहा खटन रेउसनम या का जिंग शक्री के जोंका बदन आयस ngो भाषा बारो की नोंग थे थुक थुक रिंगकट का कबुक शेर बन लोंग की नोंग जॉब या संतली की लैपटॉप कने का ऑफर kan kut ha ka live hoteri unai luar 1000 pusau
Ka Shillong ajing hikai jongka Shillong College da ka Jingkmen mentang sing kala Rakhe ya ka graduation di 1000 pusau hadian bah nyau spa live pesan ngut kisam la puli kila pas bha bat ki bala pendam ya ka jing puli ka jongki ki badai jongka ba 1000 puwe hadu 1000 pusau na pedeng kini ki nyau spa live pesan ngut kisam la ki don sekumba arpu ngut kisam la puli ki bayo ya ka rank holder bat ya ka degree jongki ni kisam la sam da uba given million ngam badai UMLA jong ka sora ku mukong san ha ka jinga don lang uba MH khalkrang IPS retired uba dei alumni jong ka Shillong College ha ka ni ka jing Rakhe ya graduation day lai don lang ru ka Dr. E Kharkangwar ka badai ka principal jong ka Shillong College u Professor B Marbo u president jong ka governing body ka Shillong College unok san keter ponggan rank holder second position ni hu examination aja apusau Department of Education but u Dr. H Dingdo u badai u head ka department jong ka Tran Education u badai ru u convener graduation committee nalo ki wei pat ki samla puli jong ka college
the faculty members who have through the ages built up this college. There's one thing that I would like to share to you, with you, regarding Shillong College, the unique thing about this college, and I do believe that we are still following that tradition, and that is Shillong College never refuses an admission to any child. And I still believe that the college is still following that tradition. Here's a college that takes in mediocre children, and with the dedication of the faculty members, they build up that child, and this is what the result is, as has been declared by your principal. I used to say that if a college or institution starts collecting only the 80s and the 90s, and then you flaunt out your achievement, I don't feel that is an achievement. Your achievement is to build up a mediocre student to excel during the period that he is here. That is the achievement of an institution, and that is exactly what Shillong College has been doing for years, and I believe that they will continue to do it. God bless Shillong College. We have here our chief guest, Honorable MLA, Mr. Gavin, the teachers, the staff, the parents, and most importantly, the class of 2024. I have a few things to share with you here. Who says that sincerity does not pay? I can give you up-team instances in my career where sincerity does pay. I will just cite to you. This is not something from YouTube. It is my own personal experience. About 15-20 years back, I was a member of the board for recruitment for the post of constables in my department. And apart from the other members, non-official members, now we also had a member from the medical fraternity, which is a doctor. And this doctor was serving earlier in Boy. Through the day, one candidate after the candidate had come in, we interviewed. And in the mid-afternoon, one young boy came in, and when he came in, he spoke to the doctor, and then I realized that he knew the doctor. And before we could interview him, this doctor narrated and she whispered to us. She said, when I was there in Boy, in the hospital, we had recruited 4 young boys to work as on a casual pay of probably that time it would be 5,000, 6,000 rupees. 4 of them were recruited, and he was one of them. Out of the 4, this boy was the only one who came on time. He was the only one who would go back to the doctor after his work and say, Madam, can I leave? He is the only one who tells the doctor during holidays, Ma'am, do you need me tomorrow? Not the other 3. And this medical doctor, to us, I've never seen a more sincere boy than this. I'm just citing to you a very, very simple example. There and then, without asking a single question from him, we all unanimously decided that this was the right person for the right job. This is how sincerity pays. This boy never imagined that one day this doctor will be in the interview board. Neither did this doctor know that this boy will become for interview because she had been transferred out by that time. So this is a small thing which this boy got back because of his sincerity. We're dreaming big, but it will remain a dream till the time that you decide to make it real, my dear child. Always have the confidence to be able to achieve your dreams. Stop saying I wish. Keep on saying I will, and you will do it. Be consistent in whatever you decide to do in your life. It can be academics, it can be music, it can be dancing, it can be sports, it can be anything, but be consistent. It's not like today I want to do singing, after 6 months, no, I'll go for running, another 6 months, I'll want to be something else. Be consistent in whatever you decide and you will be able to achieve. Consistency is better than perfection. Why? Because being perfect is not possible. We are all human beings, but it is possible to be consistent with your life. A mother coming to my office and telling me that I'm going to file an FIR against my son and please put him out inside the jail. I don't want to see his face and no more. And I would prefer my child to be dead. Can you imagine the parents telling me that? But that is the reality. Parents have come to me, forcing me to register case against their only beloved child because they don't want a child anymore. I don't think so. Your parents love you dearly. I don't think so. Any one of you would want your parents to love you. So my child, please say no to drugs.
Then I'd like to call now. One more award that has to be given. A new edition, which is just a recent update. A big hand of applause.
That this is the first graduation ceremony being conducted by this prestigious institution since the inception of this college right from the year 1956. Yes, as rightly been said by our dear principal, many years have gone since the inception of this college. We can't move forward without recalling the contributions of all the past and present principals, the members of the governing body, the teaching and non-teaching staff, and all the people who have been involved in making this institution what it is today. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate you as Shillong College for the achievement of an A+ grade in this last assessment by NAC. And this clearly indicates the hard work, the dedication, the effort of the entire Shillong College team. Therefore, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you as a college all the very best for your future endeavors. Now, coming to this graduation day ceremony, I still recall 12 years back when I graduated from St. Anthony's College. We didn't have a ceremony like this. And today, wearing this gown, I feel like I graduated from Shillong College. So therefore, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate each and every student who has graduated today. In fact, you're the luckiest batch to be the first batch to be conferred with this graduation ceremony. And at the same time, I would also like to give my special appreciation to all the rank holders of this prestigious institution. I'm very confident that this will really be a memorable day in your entire life. Yes, this degree that we have obtained today, I can assure you that it's not just a simple piece of paper, but it is a testament to the hard work that you have put in all these 3 years. But we should also understand that life is a journey where we need to proceed on. As rightly been said by the guest of honor, graduation is not the end of this tough battle, but in fact is the beginning of a beautiful one. So therefore, I would like to congratulate each and every student who has graduated today. This will really be a memorable day in your life. And as we proceed in life, we can't deny the fact that life is a journey. It won't always be easy going. There will always be ups and downs. We will always have to face challenges and also encounter various challenges in life. But what is most important is to have faith in God and ask for His wisdom and guidance that He may lead the path. Yes, coming to the main subject of our youths. As a state, we do understand that youths are our greatest strength, our greatest advantage, but at the same time, our greatest challenge. Knowing the fact that youths consist of a major proportion of the state's population, we have around 72% of the state's population consisting of youths. And when we say youths, youth consists of all individuals below the age of 35 years. Therefore, as a state, it is very, very hard. At the same time, it's also the biggest challenge. Therefore, as a state, we do understand that to ensure a bright future for our beloved state Meghalaya, we need to drive or to channelize the youth in the right direction in order to ensure that they will become a constructive force. Otherwise, they might become destructive. And you should also understand that this force has a direct impact on the future of our beloved state, Meghalaya. Yes, in today's world, we can't deny the fact that competition is very, very high, be it in terms of admission to educational institutions, be it in terms of participating in various sports activities, and especially in terms of employing into various sectors of the government. The white-collar jobs are very limited in scope. Therefore, I would like to urge you as youths to look beyond the scope of white-collar jobs. Yes, as a government, we have initiated various programs like the CM Levy programs and so on and so forth, aimed at ensuring that our youth gets employed and most importantly gets engaged. But we can't deny the fact that as a society, we could see the people of our society are very, very reluctant to take risks. But you should also understand that there's also a reward to taking risks. Some of our people are scared of starting new ventures, thinking that they might fail in their plans. But I would like to assure you, and it is also a saying, that failure is a pillar of success. As human beings, we are bound to make mistakes. But in making mistakes, it makes us more experienced, it makes us more wiser. And we also know that most successful people are the people who have committed many mistakes in life. Construction of this work to be started soon within this financial year.